about you long gone, it don't matter. Ride or die, that's been the deal. The light of your back, I disappear. But if you don't play that for me, I'm out of it, I'm out of it. I lick my gun and then I'm done. I'm out of it, I'm out of it. No man to tell me you're no good. I'm brushing away to you, the weight of you, of my shoulders.
Hello and welcome to joining me in discussing a topic which I'm incredibly passionate about. It's audio-visual sound. It's using things that enhance the way in which we interact in our lives, thanks to the power of music and audio. So whether you like a pair of over-ear phones or some snug fitting buds, this video is for you. Today I'm excited to bring you a video of some buds which have been sent by a company called 1More. It's what they call their PistonBuds, and they're neat, snug in earbuds which really enhance the experience whether you're out there for sport or no matter what your application is, thanks to complete wireless usage and up to 20 hours of playtime with the little neat case they come in. You really can enjoy your music and your activities no matter where you are or what exactly it entails. So first, before we start things off, let's take a look at the packaging. It's a small neat box. It shows you a picture of the PistonBuds on the front by 1More, and it's got a couple of things that it tells you about. 20 hours of playback time with the case, as I mentioned, 4 mic environmental noise cancellation, very important, particularly if, like me, you travel a bit or you're out in the car quite a lot and you want something to just deaden out all that background sound. It's also got a snug and secure fit, as well as IPX4 water and sweat resistance rating. Now that's also very important because if, like me, you want to use them for running or gymming, that is where it comes really in handy. So let's now move on to tearing this box open, see what exactly comes inside, take a quick look around the product, then I'll get them into my ears and we'll have a little bit of a test and I'll let you know my full experience using them. Now, you can see me enjoying the music. I know it's hard for you to hear on video, but I've got my favorite music app here, streaming my favorite song, and these, I can tell you, are incredibly comfortable. You see, you've got these tiny little piston buds. There's the right one, there's of course the left one, and not only are they extremely light, they really do produce an excellent quality audio. I can tell I'm going to really enjoy using these. So I'm actually going to get them in my ears just now, go for a run, and then I'll let you know a little bit about what they're like when in a sports field type setting. Now, let me tell you about going for a run, getting a bit of sport in with these. They're extremely comfortable. These 1More piston earbuds not only grip tightly in the ears, they feel great, they're lightweight, and they produce rich, deep sound. With active noise cancellation and the joys of Bluetooth wireless connectivity, I really can recommend them. In fact, I'll leave a link in the description below. From me, Jason of TechnoBok, until next time, I'll see you guys soon. Cheers for now.